Would you like more? Would you ask for more, please? Very good. Good job. Those are some yummy raspberries, huh? More, please. More. Very good, love bug. Very big girl. Oh. Here, sweetie. You're kind of in love with raspberries, huh? It's the first time you've ever had one. Skyla. Oh, you gotta get that off first? Okay. It's on the tip of your finger. Oh. Would you like more? More, please. More, please. Can you show Mommy more, please? More? Remember? More? You don't remember? More, please. Can you show Mommy? You want to eat. There you go, love. You did really well.